2022 marks 60 years of independence, and to celebrate, a bit of a sprucing up is taking place in Montego Bay. Yes, sirree, sections of Montego Bay are getting a facelift, a makeover, you get it. I showed you a glimpse of it a couple weeks ago. Well, here's a better look at some of the mini projects making up the approximately $30 million project. Let's start with the murals being painted across the city. There is one at the wall by Railway on Howard Cook Boulevard. That will be shown in an upcoming video. There's one on the Jarrett Park wall on Cottage Road. Let's take a closer look at that one. Look nice, not true? Okay, then show the fire station. Oh, this one. But Chetty, I'll show Harmony Beach Park.
I made a picture.
And then I finish. Alright. Okay, thanks here. And then we have the one by Clock, Barnett Street. Price so close, not true? Oh, okay, alright, this can't work. Okay, I think I've captured it. I showed you guys a glimpse of the facelift at Sam Sharp Square in this video and told you about it from December. Well, they've removed the electronic boards and relocated them close by, and they're painting the curbs and rails. And they paint the rails as well. It's the rails? Them paint the rails. And looky here, the fountain was also renovated, and let me tell you something, it's pretty, is it? What is now? I don't know what this is. And standing close beside it on a hot summer's day offers a brief and slight relief from the summer heat. Somebody.